రెండు values are.
Let us discuss some problems on compound angles. In this, the exercise, the fifth problem, if tan A equal to 1 by 2, tan B equal to 1 by 3, show that A plus B equal to 45. What we know? Tan A, tan B values. So we can use the form of tan of A plus B. What is the tan of A plus B formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now we can apply the values of tan A value, that is 1 by 2, tan B value 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Taking the LCM in the numerator, 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 2 by 1 minus 1 by 6. So it is equal to 5 by 6 by 6 minus 1 by 6. 6 6 cancel. It is equal to 5 by 5. It is also 1. So tan of A plus B is equal to 1, where the 1 is in tan degrees. We know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Both sides tan function, just we can compare the angles. So A plus B equal to 45 degrees. It is the solution. Second one, if tan A is equal to n by n plus 1 and tan B equal to 1 by 2n plus 1 and A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equal to 45 degrees. Again similar to above problem only, just here we can apply the tan of A plus B. What is the formula of tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equal to tan A is n by n plus 1, tan B is 1 by 2n plus 1 by 1 minus n by n plus 1 into 1 by 2n plus 1. Taking the LCM, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by the cross multiply, n into 2n plus 1 plus 1 into n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus n by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. In the denominator also taking LCM. The denominators parts are same, then those are get cancelled. It is equal to multiply. N into 2n is 2n square plus n into 1 is n plus 1 by n into 2n is 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 minus n equal to 2n square plus 2n plus 1 by 2n square plus n minus n get cancelled, 2n plus 1. These two are same terms in the numerator and denominator. It is equal to 1. So here tan of A plus B is equal to 1. One value in the tan for 45 degrees. So tan functions are same. Then compare the angles A plus B equal to 45 degrees. It is the second problem in the fifth. Third one, if tan A equal to 18 by 17 and tan B equal to 1 by 35, show that A minus B equal to 45 degrees. Again, we can apply the same formula, that is tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Substitute the values, 18 by 17 plus 1 by 35. But here just you can see here a minus b is there. So here we can correct it. A minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here 18 by 17 minus 1 by 35 by 1 plus 18 by 17 into 1 by 35. Here also taking LCM, 17 is the prime number, 17 into 35. Here 18 into 35 minus 17 by 17 into 35 plus 18 by 17 into 35. These are get cancelled. It is equal to 18 into 35. 5 8s are 44, 9, 24, 2, 3 1s are 3, 54. It's 0, 630. 630 minus 17 by 1735s are 5 7s are 35, 3, 85, 21, 2, 5, 595. 595 plus 18 is equal to its 613 by here 13 1 1 6 613. It is equal to 1. 1 equal to tan 45 degrees. So tan of a minus b is equal to tan 45 degrees. From this we can take the angles a minus b equal to 45 degrees only. Next problem, fourth one. If tan a equal to 5 by 6 and tan b equal to 1 by 11, show that a plus b equal to pi by 4. Again use the formula of a plus b only. That is tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Substitute the values, 5 by 6 plus 1 by 11 by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. Taking the LCM, 66 is the LCM. 11 5 is 55 plus 5 by 66 minus 5 by here 6 66 66 66 get cancelled. It is equal to 61 by 61 equal to 1. It is equal to tan 45 degrees. That is a plus b is equal to 45 degrees. It is the pi by 4. Fifth one. If sin a equal to 3 by 5, cos b equal to 5 by 13, find sin of a plus b. First, we can find out the angle of A and angle of B. Here, A angle, it is ABC. It is B angle, ABC. Here, sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Under root is 4. It is the adjacent side. Cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse. 169 minus 25 equal to 144. It's under root means we are getting 12 by using of the Pythagoras theorem. So here from this sin A equal to 3 by 5, then cos A equal to 4 by 5. The similar way, cos B is equal to 5 by 13, sin B equal to 12 by 13. We can find out the sin of A plus B. Using the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the sin A value? 3 by 5. Cos B value 5 by 13. Plus cos A value 4 by 5. Sin B value 12 by 13. Here taking the LCM of this, 13 5s are 65 is the LCM. 5 3s are 15 plus 12 4s are 48. It is equal to 63 by 65 is the sin of A plus B. Therefore, sin of A plus B value is equal to 63 by 65. This is the solution.